Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make a simple DriveWorks application for generating the profiles with custom parameters. Let's start with form design. I use some template buttons which I prepared before, and I'm going to copy them to the main sheet, set the name of the header, and also the displayed text. I do some spacing for better view, and also make the more numeric text boxes for each parameter we will need. So this will be offer number, set the minimum and maximum value, also the default display value, and set the caption. I move a little bit the other and continue with width, also minimum and maximum value, and caption. Here we got height, length, thickness of the profile, outer radius, change the values, and the last one will be inner radius. Now I switch to the test mode and set the default values. Okay. And I'm going to insert the picture of the profile with main dimensions. Here it is. And I think it has better look in zoom display mode. After that I turned it off the standard navigation and task list, and I'm going to set macro buttons for generation and for saving the specification. Change the text, and also make another one for canceling the current specification. but this one I display only with picture and without the text. And here it is. Okay. Now it's good. And for better visualization, I insert the blank label without any text, just for the free space. Save. In this application, we don't use any constants, tables, or document data. Later, we will make one document file and capture the model, but now I'm going to set the specification name and create the macros. So we need my macro for generation, invoke specification transition, and release local. Another one for saving the specification. So again, but the transition name will be save. Don't forget allow existing specification to be edited. And lastly, add the macro for canceling the current specification. Connect our macros with their macro buttons. Done. Done. And the last one. Save. And test it in a Specification Explorer. So changing the values, it's okay. Save. Here is our specification. Edit. Cancel. Okay. Works well. And now I'm just delete this test and let's go into the SolidWorks. Login into current group, open the model and capture it. So I continue with capturing the dimensions from the main sketch. We have length and height, width, thickness, 2 times, outer radius, and inner radius. And for direct manipulating with dimensions, also capture the inner width and inner height. Save and click on the drawing section. Here. And select the drawing for capture. Okay, capture the list, select the front view, and I'm going to make its side projection. And set the basic dimensions. Okay, I think it's good. Let's try to change the scale, but I think that 1 to 5 is okay. Okay, now capture the drawing views and also capture the text boxes from our template. The last one. And also allow to making the PDF file from drawing. Here, save all settings. And close the drawing and the model. Now, back in DriveWorks administrator, go to model rules and add the model. Select it with its drawing. And now set the rules for individual dimensions. Before that, I'm just set the name of the model and drawing. So copy it from specification name. And now set the parameters. Just open the dialog, double click on the control and click on the OK. It will be saved. I'm just set the different default values. And setting the scale. I make the function for scale denominator in order to profile length. Okay, I think it will work without problem. Save as the variable. Align the positions of the drawing views. Try these values and continue with setting the rules for text boxes in drawing stamp. No profile. Offer number. Okay. Perfect. And the last one, I'm going to make a string for profile name with all dimensions. All right. I also create a document for PDF file of the drawing. I copy the path to the specification folder. Okay. And add the direct name of the file. Okay, I just briefly check if I have all the rules connected with dimensions. Cleared the default name, which is basic profile. So the generated one will be named as a profile and the 4 numbers of the offer. Update the reference path rule. Okay. As a last step, I go to generation task and set the auto arrange dimensions function for the selected view. Okay, and write its name to the rule. Go to Specification Explorer and start the new specification. I fill the formula, set the all dimensions. Let's try it with these values and click on Generate button. As you can see, the generation report, everything went all right. So let's generate the model with drawing. This one and generate. It lasts a couple of seconds. And now I open the generated model and check the changed dimensions. Yeah, it changed perfectly. All right, look at the drawing. See that every text box is filled correctly. And the dimensions are on the right places. Also, the model report is good without any warnings. So let's see the generated PDF file. It looks perfect. But it's a little bit set it down. So I'm going to increase the value for the position of the drawing views and test it in another specification. So save, create a new offer number, parameters. I set the different height and width for now. And again, generate the model with the drawing. And check it. Everything looks good. Go to the drawing. The dimensions. Text boxes and also the position and scale have changed. Now it's looking better. And last thing, I'm check the PDF file. Okay. Alright, that's all from me. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments.